Combien de filles là à qui compte tromper ménage? Gardez pas bon, gardez pas bon, gardez pas bon, gardez pas bon.
Yo, what's going on? Ça qu'a fait la fanatique bon bagaille, c'est FLAV of Gabel. Check this out. Je viens là m'inviter dans gros event at second place July 13th. Okay, 13 juillet, it's an all-white party, man. And guess what? It's gonna be on a yacht. A yacht.
Alors mes amis, musique ça, nous voyons pour quel que soit fille là qui a un problème de gestion. N'est qu'à mal gérer et n'est qu'à bien gérer tout. Musique ça c'est pour nous, ok? Enjoy, li prend plaisir là, donc regardez, fais samedi dans musique ça. Gérer tout autant que nous pas capable encore.
Yo, what's good, folks? It's your boy FLAV from Gabel, and check this out. I'm feeling like everything no gros fête. That's second place July 13th. Okay, 13 juillet. It's gonna be on a yacht. I mean a yacht, y'all. Something crazy. Yacht's like a 4 level. First, second, third, and fourth floor. Okay? And for the performances, I'm net with Harmonic. See which is our movie in a moment, as you guys know it. Maxi Sanders, Nikki and the gang. And you also have 5Lan, man. DJ5Etwal. So what else, man? I'm talking to the moon, give that video. July 13th, it's going down on certain event that's going on that day, and it's gonna be Wet Dream.
That's good for me.
And check this out. Si nous avez ticket pour l'an event ça, keep in mind, guys, it's a pre-sold thing. So you guys can come to the front and say, I want to pay. You guys got to call the numbers I'm about to give y'all. So we got a ticket, nous pouvons faire mal, nous pouvons pas l'appeler, okay? The first one is 954-366-2926 or it's 305-742-6807. Si nous avez ticket, il faut nous les 954-366-2926 ou bien 305-742-6807. Okay, et si vous parlez à le numéro ça, you guys can always go online because I know you guys can pull out your phones and go to wetdreamyacht.eventbrite.com. It's very simple. wetdreamyacht.eventbrite.com or follow my boy HMIPix or Kompa Events. You guys gonna see all the flyers. You guys gonna see, you know what I'm saying, how I look fly. You know what I'm saying, with my white thing on. You feel me? So make sure y'all check them out. Okay, see music ticket. Go on wetdreamyacht.event.com, right? .com or HMIPix or Kompa Events. Okay. So guys, keep in mind, it's gonna be a very, very fun night. We leave at 11 o'clock. Okay, so you guys got to show up exactly by 9:30 because I know some of y'all want to be fashionably late, so on and so forth, but I'm going to be here since 9 o'clock, so 9:30 is y'all time. Make sure y'all show up on time. It's 4 deck, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you're going to party in the first one, party in the second one, party in the third one, and party in the fourth one. Okay, so don't miss it. Get ready, July 13th, Wet Dream. And check this out, listen, it's 21 and up. Okay, you forgive it and go to the yacht party. And keep in mind, no passport is needed, just your ID, but you must be 21. So nobody doesn't worry about deportation, so you guys gonna be good. So 21 and up to party, and make sure you bring ID, no passport. Alright, so definitely important, man. So dress code is strictly enforced. It has to be all white. You have to wear all white. I'm sorry, we're gonna get scared of them. If you don't have all white, you won't be able to get in. And I'll make sure you don't get in. You know what I mean? Because I'm hosting it and it's my rules, it's my party. So make sure y'all come straight, man. All white, 21 and up, no passport is needed. Just your ID. Alright, so come straight, man. Messing with y'all. See y'all, man.
Comment t'as senti? Yon n'est qu'un bâtisseur. Ou bien maman? Maestro T-Claude. Jouez.